Is half inch. Oh, you break it, you buy it. No, half inch pipe, so you don't have to troubleshoot.
Gotcha.
It's high volume, low pressure versus the drip. I have here. Comes with this, and I showed you how to set. It's high volume, low pressure versus the drip. And so the idea is, you just hook it to your hose. The pressure reducer and everything's built in the hose. You do 25 of these on one hose.
I know.
They got the ones with the reservoir.
Yeah.
But those only work once the plank's pretty well established.
Exactly.
Here you can germinate the seeds.
That's nice.
Now, if you want to do a rose or a shrub, you don't put that on, and you simply bend this over. You put this thing here, and you punch holes in it. And now, the root ball sits here.
Gotcha.
So you can do roses. And what's great about it is